Halo guys, selamat malam. Kembali lagi bersama gue Zikri di channel Bang Jik. Oke, momen kali ini gue mau main game yang kebetulan ini lagi gratis guys. Kalau kalian bisa cek di Epic Games, ini gamenya lagi gratis. Kebetulan gue udah buat ya karakternya, tapi gue belum main sama sekali. Jadi kita langsung aja play. Gue belum main sama sekali, gue baru buat karakter doang. Ya. Oke, kita langsung aja play. Kalian boleh cek ya guys ya di Epic Games. Ini gamenya gratis. Kalian boleh cek di Epic Games. Ini gamenya lagi gratis sampai tanggal 3 atau 4 atau udah ya atau 3 gitu, gue lupa deh. Pokoknya ini lagi ada diskon, jadinya gratis game ini. Guys ya. Pertama kali gue nyobain Hogwarts Legacy. Oke. Udah masuk guys. Kalian kalau mau baca boleh ya, kalau kalian mau baca ininya subtitlenya. Wah, sumpah bahasanya. Asik ya guys, grafiknya grafik keren. Mereka mau ke Hogwarts. Okay, nice. Kudanya nggak ada ya guys ya. Ya namanya Harry Potter ya, ceritanya milik Harry Potter. Hogwarts Legacy. Oke. Apakah udah gameplay? Oh, masih opening guys. Kita nonton aja dulu. Warner Bros ya guys ya. Avalanche. Prancis kayaknya ini, cara bacanya aja nggak tahu gimana. Avalanche itulah pokoknya guys ya. 4K Wizarding World Games. 4K Games Wizarding World. Oke. Masih bacanya kebalik-balik. Oke lah guys ya, kita langsung aja. Sama juga.
Starting school as a fifth year. How extraordinary. It is indeed. None of the faculty has ever heard of anyone being admitted to Hogwarts so late. Nor have I. Of course, as the other fifth years will have been honing their magical skills for 4 years now, the headmaster asked if I could get our new student up to speed a bit before the term begins. Well, you couldn't have asked for a better mentor. Professor Fig is not only an exceptional teacher, he's also a remarkably intuitive and gifted wizard. Mr. Osric is prone to flattery. I dare say it's one of the reasons he's risen so far at the ministry. Have you seen this? I have. Opinions differ as to how great a threat Ranrock really is. Although I've yet to convince my colleagues at the ministry.
Game triple A nih guys, kayaknya guys. Cakep banget grafiknya.
And it was your wife, Eleazar, who alerted me to his activities months ago. Miriam? How? She wrote to me about Ranrock before she died, wondering what the ministry knew about his activities. Before I could respond, I received this. but with no correspondence. I can only assume that she had to get rid of it quickly. To keep it safe, presumably from Ranrock. I cannot open it. Whatever magic protects this is powerful indeed. It looks like goblin metal. That symbol, what's that glow?
Mereka dapat itu guys,
I don't see a glow.
kayak toples gitu, tapi nggak bisa dibuka. Oh,
Merlin's beard. How did you wait?
oh my god. Lagi kaget guys. Keren. Udah beli grafik. Keren.
Are you alright? You're hurt. Perhaps a bit.
Baru mulai darahnya.
It's Wiggenweld potion. That stuff will right you in a second.
G. Oke guys, G caranya. Kalau mau nge-heal ya, nge-heal G. Potion.
Poor George. I can't believe it. What the hell got into that damn thing? Attacking a carriage mid-air? A typical dragon would never. Professor? Sir, where are we? I'm not sure.
Kita gedein nih guys suaranya
That
guys.
key you discovered was clearly a portkey.
Oh udah bisa di,
An item enchanted to break whoever touches
udah
it.
geser guys. Oh ada 3, kita ada 3 heal ya. 3 potion.
I'm feeling better, sir. If you'd like to look around a bit.
Okay.
I would. But
Stay
stay
close.
close. We've no idea who created this portkey. Or why.
Masih tutor guys, belum bisa mencet apa-apa. Baru mencet yang diarahin doang. Wah, double di grafik guys, cuma keren banget.
Far did that portkey take us? Farther from London than the carriage travelled. We're somewhere in the Scottish Highlands. So, those ruins. The portkey was meant to lead us there. I do. This has not been the day either of us expected. But Miriam sent that portkey to George for a reason. And I believe that she, and now George, died in pursuit of whatever it was meant to lead to. If you're sure you're all right and wouldn't mind indulging me, I'd
Indulging
like
apa
to
coba?
have a look around. Absolutely, sir. Good. Let's see if we can find a path, however faded it may be.
Sumpah bahasanya keren banget guys. Aja.
Mind your step.
Where do you suppose your wife got the portkey that brought us here?
A good question. Miriam spent years searching for
Double di
evidence of a
grafik
lost
ya,
form
sumpah.
of ancient magic.
Bakal jadi salah satu
Ancient magic.
Yes.
game
A powerful
terepik
magic wielded by a rare
yang pernah gue mainin sih.
seems to have
So
been
far
lost
ya,
to
so far.
time.
Keren banget ini.
Hogwarts Castle was built by and is itself a stronghold of that ancient magic. I don't know where she came into possession of the portkey, but I am certain it was to do with that search. Ah, there's the path down below. This way.
But sir, why was your wife searching for evidence of lost magic?
Miriam would wanted to understand why such powerful magic
Oh, kalau Q
disappeared from the
blinding
wizarding
guys.
world.
Q
The good it could
Cedar
do.
L.
But magic is no different than any power. What really matters is the one who wields it.
Is that ice?
It's not cold enough here. It appears to be a sort of enchantment. Someone wanted to block this path. Let's see some of that wand work you were practicing. Focus on the center.
Oh my god, W guys. Mekanik kah? Mekanik mukul-mukul kah? Standar select target.
That was a bit rougher than I'd expected. Your wand was improving with every cast.
Thank you, sir.
Up there.
Oh, sini guys.
We're close now. It's just ahead.
W grafik guys.
Steady yourself.
W awan keren banget bener-bener.
Reparo.
Mantra-mantra ya tapi
Almost there.
oh target guys.
Why would someone put this here?
I suspect they found
Kalau gue mencet caps lock dia target
Porky led us here
sesuatu.
for a reason. Let's have a look around for anything that seems out of place.
Kita mau udah ada yang bisa di the minimum showing with this screen objective. Oke. Press V. Oke, boleh. Gue bingung disuruh ngapain deh. Nah, terus tiga.
Professor, it's a mural of some kind.
Perhaps our host was a noted seer. Interesting.
Kita sambil nyoba-nyoba ya guys ya. Itu ada itunya guys, ada arahannya suruh ke sana. Tapi suruh lewat mana ini? Kita sambil lihat-lihat dulu ya guys. Oh, lihat sini, lihat sini. Enak banget gamenya, banyak objektifnya kelihatan kayak gini guys.
That enchanted crystallized stone again. But what could it be blocking? What's this? Professor Fig!
How odd. Why would someone have conjured that enchanted stone here?
And how is there a room behind it?
What room? I don't see anything.
There's that glow again, like the glow on the portkey container.
Interactive magic. Gimana maksudnya? Profesor travel ke website kamu. status Highland. We need to explore them. Tapi pencetnya apa guys? Oh, suruh ngedekat, astaga.
What in Merlin's Lane?
Godric's heart. Where are we? I don't believe it.
Kita malah disuruh bangunin goblin.
Hello?
Wah, ada goblin ya guys.
It can't be. Just a moment.
Welcome to Gringotts Wizarding Bank. Vault number 12, I presume.
Precisely.
The key.
The white sport key. Oh, yes, of course.
This way, then.
Stay close.
Keren banget.
After you.
Game 10 jam nih guys, game 10 jam sini.
And keep your hands inside the car if you don't wish to lose them. How many votes are there? Hundreds. In fact, you'll see quite a few on our way to vote number 12. As we speak, we're just beneath the main lobby. The votes you'll see now are the newest. Are private entrances to the bank common at Gringotts? They are most uncommon. Only one with great wealth or power, or both, could have arranged for such a service. You'll want to take a breath. A what? That waterfall washes away all enchantments. It's a security measure. Experienced the thief's downfall before, have you? Heard of it? These are the lower vaults that we're passing now. How deep will we go?
Keren banget
Vault number
sih,
12 was
suka
commissioned
grafiknya
shortly
guys.
after Gringotts was founded over 4 centuries ago. It resides in the deepest part of the bank. Settle in. We've quite a distance to go.
Okay, nice.
Vault number.
Vault 12. Momentous day.
On your way.
Udah video game guys. Bakal jadi beberapa part sih ini pasti sih. Panjang banget pasti ini.
Professor, beyond that god is where it was glowing. Like the glow you saw on the porky container, but darker. I saw that same glow on the dragon's collar.
Yeah, what was that?
We were just wondering about that goblin back there.
He watches over the oldest section of the bank. Rare anyone goes there anymore. Here we are.
Udah suara angin dikit nggak apa-apa lah guys ya. Nice.
When was the last
suppose we should be looking for?
I'm not sure. Sir, I wonder if you
The
might...
instructions for Vault 12 indicate that I am to grant access to the hold room key and then close the door. Wait.
Wah,
Professor, that was certainly unexpected. Let me think. There must be something here. Revelio, perhaps.
Revelio?
Yes, a revealing charm. No time like the present. Let's see what we're missing, shall we? Ready your wand and focus.
oh I see, paham. Yes. Oke. Paham mekaniknya, oke.
Revelio.
There, I saw something. Move a bit closer and try again. Door. Well,
Oh
that's a
my
start.
god.
There's that symbol again. I don't suppose you see a way to...
I do, Professor. That symbol has the
Dapat
same glow as the one
dapat
I saw
ini
on
baru,
the
guys.
key container.
If what you can see reveals the way forward, then I dare say we are about to discover the secret of this vault. Lead the way. Lumos.
Lumos.
This is no ordinary vault. I suspect we'll need to earn our way out of here.
What do you mean earn our way out? Do you think this is some sort of test?
I do. But to what end, I can't say. Stay close. There will be no disapparating if things go poorly. Not out of Gringotts.
Revelio.
Itu mulai dipakai Revelio. Lumos. Kita nggak bisa mencet Lumos juga. Astaga, gue mencet L. Baik. Gue kira L dia bakal ngejurus
I
Lumos
see
ya.
something up ahead. What is it?
That glow again. But on the floor. Revelio.
What happened?
When I moved towards the glow, it suddenly seemed as if the ground was swirling about.
Are you all right?
Yes, sir, I'm fine.
You seem to have caused the floor to change.
That statue.
What statue?
I see some sort of statue, but only as a reflection in the floor. Revelio.
I presume this is what you saw reflected in the floor.
It is. The reflection's still there, but the statue's positions don't match. Wait. When you moved, the reflection turned in the direction of the light.
Perhaps you should pass Lumos.
Nice, kita belajar Lumos guys. Kita belajar ilmu baru. Nice. You acquire one light. Some Lumos automatically been slow in your spell. Okay, nice.
Lumos.
Well done.
Now the reflection's turning towards me. It does follow the light.
Gimana guys? W game mekanika.
Look out!
Potato.
Accio! Effetto!
mobil mekanik guys. Wah, sangat cepat dia. Oh, misinya itu 2 kali Vertigo guys. Kalau udah habis kok, astaga, gue nggak lihat.
Professor Fig! Professor, where are you? This isn't good.
Ada apa guys udah?
Where am I supposed to go? What's happening?
Wait, gue lupa caranya.
Leading me somewhere.
Gitu.
Lumos.
Gue lupa caranya makan tadi. Kita apa ya? Arrow kan?
Revelio. Lumos.
Apa Q E Z X Y F D.
Revelio.
Oh iya juga guys. Gue lupa caranya makan tadi.
Lumos.
Banyak chest guys. Kita sambil cari chest. While searching the area, we come upon reflection. When our gets to reflection, it attacks. Statue reflection.
Protego. Lumos. Revelio. Lumos. Lumos.
Wah, no clue sih. Bingung gua guys maksudnya. While searching through the darkness, we came upon a statue. Was only visible to me. Sini kah? Oh yes guys, sini guys.
That's where they're leading me. A glow again. Revelio. Suppose I'm on my own this time. Protego. Lumos. I seem to have no choice. I'm going to have to fight my way out of here.
Oh shit.
Protego.
Ada lagi kah? Q, hold Q, what is stun enemy with. Wait guys. Jadi klik Q, abis itu stare. Oke, bismillah. Wah guys, view the object to reveal the way forward. Oh, di hold guys, gue lupa. Nice.
Lumos.
Suruh kemana lagi nih guys? Oh, suruh ngikutin ini. Ngikutin lampu ini ya. Game guys, double game sumpah. Kalian harus download guys, game gratis ya di Epic Games, jadi harus di download, jangan sampai nggak download. Ini game keren banget.
Protego. Lumos. Rebellion.
Suruh sini kah?
There you are. How did you...
What is this place?
I don't know. But I found this floating above that basin.
That is no mere basin. That is a pensive for viewing memories. I wonder. Follow my lead.
Wah, sumpah keren banget guys. Ini waktu profesor masih muda kan?
What is in this? The bookie is willing, perhaps too well. I wonder if the path we've created may be impossible to follow. It will only be impossible for one who cannot see traces of ancient magic as I can. Your ability to see others cannot will not be enough personal. We are entrusting the one who embarks on this path with powerful secrets, with knowledge others will do anything to obtain. Yes, and if we are correct, Charles, the ritual wizard who completes the trials will have proven himself worthy of that knowledge and the responsibility that accompanies it. We've done all that we can. That's what you're seeing. The glow that surrounded them.
Yes, sir.
Astonishing.
Can I see magic?
Traces of an ancient magic, to be precise. The magic that Miriam had always believed existed, but could never. Miriam, and perhaps George, died in pursuit of knowledge that has been dormant for centuries. And you, it seems, are the key to understanding why. We wouldn't all look rather different in a moment ago. Someone's coming. Who were they? I don't know.
Oh my.
I have no patience for traitors. Now, where were we? I'm not giving you anything. Well, perhaps your young friend here will be more helpful.
Oh my god, guys. Ranrok. Cabut kah? Selagi mereka berkelahi, cabut guys. Kaf. Oh my god. Gua kira laptopnya ngebug guys, ternyata bang W game banget.
Are you alright? Fine, sir. I've never seen so powerful a goblin. He seemed wholly unaffected by my magic. Where are we? It can't be. It seems those who set up the Pensive, the Locket, and the Path to both wanted someone with your ability to end up here. Come. We have a sorting ceremony to get to.
Jam berapa jam ini guys kira-kira guys? Baru opening guys kayaknya guys. Beneran aja baru opening.
Oh, good. We haven't missed the sorting ceremony. I'm no expert, but
Ada acara upacara apa bang?
seems more appropriate. Now, I need to study this locket as soon as I can, but first I must contact the ministry. They need to know what happened to George and being warned of Ranrock. For the moment, I ask that you keep all that's happened this evening between you and me. Of course, sir. Thank you. Ready for the sorting ceremony? Phineas, Nigellus, Black.
Kepala sekolah.
Prepare yourself to meet the headmaster. Fig, nice of you to join us. The sorting ceremony is over. There were complications. Complications? It seems the goblin enough. Goblins? I've no time for rumors, Fig, and I'm rapidly losing whatever patience I had left. If you're lucky, we might still be able to get you sorted this evening. I'll be in touch.
Oh my gosh. Bakal apa topi di kepala gue ya?
Ah, yes. A bit older than the others, aren't you? You come here with preferences and preconceptions. Certain expectations.
Explore deh ya.
I'm looking forward to exploring Hogwarts and the world beyond the castle grounds. Indeed. Much can be gleaned by having an adventurous spirit. But your professors have a great deal to teach you as well. I wonder. I detect something in you. A certain sense of.
Oh my god.
What is it?
Ambisi
Is
sih.
it ambition? I may seem single-minded, but it is important to go after what you want from life. Interesting. You've recently learned that you possess a rare ability. I detect a growing sense of ambition, an eagerness for power. Perhaps you belong in Slytherin.
Wah, gue di rumah Slytherin guys. Non volkannya mesin Slytherin. Bisa pilih yang lain kah? Coba kita cek yang lain ya. Of course
I detect a
Slytherin.
growing sense of ambition, an eagerness for power.
F. Kita main mekanik kuat guys. Ush.
You belong in Slytherin!
Alur cerita kah?
Oh, and one more thing. Due to the unfortunate injury on the pitch in last spring's final, this year's Quidditch season has been cancelled. Enough! It's not as though I've banned flying altogether, but don't tempt me. You are here to focus on your academic futures. I'm sure you will have plenty to do before classes begin tomorrow. I said, I'm sure you will have plenty to do before classes begin tomorrow.
Oh my god.
Quite an entrance. It's lovely to meet you.
Professor Weasley, would you be so kind as to show our new student to their common room?
I shall see to it, sir. As I was saying, I'm Professor Weasley.
Nice to meet you as well, Professor.
As Deputy Headmistress, it is my distinct honor to show you to your common room. Right this way.
Siap, Profesor baik. Baik banget guys, profesornya yang ini guys. Profesor Weasley.
It's quite uncommon for a student to begin as a
Fug.
senior.
Siapa tadi yang sebelumnya?
Maybe
Fug.
this is a challenge, but one I'm sure you're up for.
Fig.
I can be quite resourceful.
Weasley, Fig sama
This is the entrance to the Slytherin
headmasternya siapa tadi, gue lupa.
In order to enter, one must simply speak the correct password. Aspiration.
Aspiration.
Very well. Aspiration.
Well done. Now, go on in and get some sleep. You have a big day ahead of you tomorrow. I shall be back in the morning to collect you for your first class.
Thank you, Professor Weasley.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoy your first night at Hogwarts. Sleep well.
Absolute game guys, bener-bener keren banget. Pagiku cerah.
Everyone's gone. Let's head to the common room.
Start to. Udah bisa diinterek kah? Oh ini, kita disuruh ke kasur guys. Oh bukan, disuruh keluar guys. Kita disuruh keluar ya guys ya.
I suppose some introductions are in order. That's not helpful. Can I help you? Oh, you're the new 5th year. I'm Sebastian Sallow. Welcome to Slytherin. Thank you. Not everyone has a ministry escort to school. He was a friend of Professor Fig's who merely joined us for the ride. Still, impressive. Dreadful way to go, poor fellow. Glad you and Fig are all right. It was dreadful, certainly, but quite an experience nonetheless. Interesting perspective. How did you and Fig manage to escape? It's all still a bit of a blur, to be honest. Didn't mean to press. You just get yourself settled. We can talk more later.
Enak aja lah.
It was nice meeting you, Sebastian. I'll let you get back to your book. Nice meeting you too. Good luck today.
Oke, nice info ya guys ya. Introduce Sebastian udah, terus kita ke Imelda.
Might want to think
Ini
that.
siapa nih? Imelda Reyes.
Ugh, not going to live there, are you?
Here, watch this.
Don't say I didn't warn you. Checkmate. Told you. You should have listened to me. Ah, I know who you are. You're the new Slytherin, the one who barged in with Professor Fig last night. Interesting tactic on your first day, taking all the attention away from the first years. I'm Imelda, by the way. Shame I wasn't with you in Fig. I could have lured that dragon away. My skills in a broom are legendary.
Perhaps Professor Fig's friend would have survived if we'd had your help.
Precisely. Perhaps one of these days I'll show you a thing or two about flying. I can teach you more than Kagawa ever could. Speaking of which, I'd like to get in some time on my broom before classes.
Do you have a lot of time to fly during school?
I make the time. There's nothing like swerving through the spires of the castle and around the Quidditch pitch to clear the mind.
Are you a keen Wizard chess fan? You knew that boy was going to lose the match.
Not really. Much too sedate a pastime for me. Also, it's simply not that challenging. The moves are always
Challenging.
so
Keren banget
obvious.
guys.
Why does no one else see it?
Goodbye, Imelda.
Nice meeting you.
Imelda udah, sekarang Ominis. Imelda, Ominis,
I
Sebastian.
think I heard one. Doubt mermaids find us that interesting. Ah, based on all the chatter when you entered the common room, I'm guessing you're the new 5th year. I'm Ominous. Ominous Gaunt. Nice to meet you, Ominous. Well, you certainly had a memorable
Ominous Gaunt.
arrival. I'd much rather have arrived on time and without a dragon attack en route, I'm sure. How horrible. I can only imagine. Well, it's good to have you in Slytherin. Do let me know if I can be of any help as you navigate your first days here. Were you expecting to be sourced into Slytherin? Most certainly.
pure-blood maniac. Unfortunately, most of his descendants do not fall far from that tree. Thank you, Ominous. Very
Cukup sih.
nice to meet you. Pleasure was all mine. Don't be a stranger.
Is the new fifth-year Slytherin in here? Professor Weasley's waiting for you just by the stairs. Where are the professors?
Saya. Bikin momen guys kayak gini. Nice.
Good morning. I trust you're ready for your first day at Hogwarts? I've been dreaming of this day for a long time. Can't believe I'm here. Well, you are here. Make the most of it. You only have one first day at Hogwarts. Now, in light of your unique situation, joining us as a fifth year, you'll need to catch up with your classmates and not fall behind. Especially as you'll be expected to complete your OWLs at the end of the year. OWLs? Owls? Yes, your ordinary wizarding level exams. They will determine what type of career you can have when you leave here. After much discussion with the headmaster and the Department of Magical Education at the Ministry, we devised something extraordinary to ensure your success.
Oh my god, kita dapat buku guys. Hogwarts.
What is it? It is a wizard's field guide. It will help you to keep track of what you are learning, so that you master all that's expected of a fifth year. You would be wise to take full advantage of this exceptionally valuable resource. Thank you, Professor Fuller. What do you mean it will keep track of what I'm learning? Perhaps seeing it in action will answer any questions you may have. Walk with me and we shall put it to the test.
Can I
This way. I certainly would have appreciated something like the field guide when I was a student. Using the guide will also train you to be alert to your surroundings. The guide will give you opportunities to practice your magic and educate yourself about wizarding law. Lumos. Revelio. Do keep up. Why don't you cast Revelio on that statue and see what details the field guide can provide? Protego.
Coba ngapain guys ini? Should follow. Ya ini udah ikutin gue nih.
Revelio.
Oh, terpencet lagi. Bisa tuh disuruh kayak buat teman. Which usually transform yang bagus berarti. Is unlike a challenge. So, oh, okay, I see. Okay, guys.
Clever, isn't it? Keep your eyes open for more opportunities like that, inside and outside. Revelio. Lumos.
Tadi ngantonginnya gimana sih, gue lupa dah. Pencet C.
how to use blue flames to get around a bit quicker. Your field guide contains a map of the castle. Open it up and find Central Hall.
First of all, okay. Oh. Oke, paham. Gitu ya. Yes. Oke.
And here we are. Quite the time saver. These stairs lead directly to Central Hall. You can get almost anywhere in the castle quickly from Central Hall. Always something happening here. It's the heart of the hive. Our King's Cross station, so to speak. That should be all for now. You'll be expected to attend both Charms and Defense Against the Dark Arts classes today. And I'd like to be sure you get to Hogsmeade as soon as possible to replace the supplies you lost on the way here.
Oke, gue harus tanya deh.
You mentioned Hogsmeade, Professor.
Hogsmeade is the only all-wizarding village in Britain and is home to an array of shops and pubs. You should be able to find all of the school supplies you require in Hogsmeade. You will also, I imagine, enjoy many a butterbeer there with friends in due course.
Can you tell me more about the Defense Against the Dark Arts class?
Defense Against the Dark Arts, as the name implies, focuses on how to defend oneself against the evils that lurk beyond these walls. A mastery of Defense Against the Dark Arts is required
Dark
for those who
arts.
aspire to become warriors. Fortunately, we are lucky to have the ever-gifted Professor Hecat in charge of our students' education in that regard.
Mas, can you tell me more about Charms class?
What will I learn in Charms class?
Exactly what you might expect. Spells, charms, jinxes, all
Jinxes, all
terribly
terribly
useful. I think
useful.
you will enjoy Professor Roden. He's a clever, entertaining wizard and a talented teacher.
Thank you, Professor Weasley.
A lot to absorb on your first day, and you have much to learn. Happily, your professors have agreed to create additional assignments for you outside of class. You'll be up to speed in no time. Judging by your adept use of Revelio earlier, I'd say Professor Fig succeeded in at least showing you the basics.
You did, Professor.
He's been terribly vague as to the events preceding your arrival, specifically about what happened after that awful dragon attack. My suspicion is that there's more to the story than a search for belongings and an extended trip up to the castle.
Oh my god. My subsistence is that there's more a story than such problem.
We did take a bit of a detour on the way here. Ended up exploring some ruins and... I shouldn't say more.
Exploring ruins? Well, I presume Professor Fig has his reasons for keeping the details to himself for now. Speak of the devil, Professor Fig. Your ears must have been burning.
Oh.
Yes. You seem to have provided our new fifth year with a solid foundation in the basics of spellcasting.
I'm afraid I can't take all the credit there, Professor. They've a rare aptitude for magic, it seems.
Well, I'm just glad you both arrived in one piece. Perfectly good boats and carriages to Hogwarts, and you chose to fly in the path of a dragon.
I wouldn't say I chose the dragon's path, Professor. Rather unfortunately, it would seem that it chose us.
Very well. Enough chit-chat. I need to get to class myself. Might I rely on you, Professor Fig, to explain the details of the field guide's map?
Of course. yours.
Thank you. Good luck today. And remember to use your field guide. It will be invaluable to you. And invaluable to me, as I'll be using it to keep up to date on your progress.
Yes, Professor.
Come and find me in my classroom after you've attended both classes today, and I'll explain more about those assignments I mentioned. And we'll see if we can't get you to Hogsmeade for those supplies.
Nice.
It's good to see you, Professor.
And you. I was hoping our paths would cross today, before you immersed yourself in studies. Did I hear you and Professor Weasley talking about exploring ruins?
Yes, sir. But I didn't tell her anything else about our travels here. I will say, I think she suspects we're not being entirely forthcoming.
Yes, well, Professor Weasley is a brilliant and astute witch. It was right to keep the details to yourself for now. We don't know where this path we've embarked upon will lead. It may require a bit more flexibility with your time than she would approve of. And she may feel obliged to share details with the headmaster that would be better left between us.
Understood, Professor.
Good. Now, as capable as you are, I believe the ability you possess obliges you to be well trained. Happily, you have the benefit of an exceptionally skilled team of witches and wizards to guide you. Speaking of guides, and so that I may avoid another not-so-subtle reproof from Professor Weasley, why don't I show you the clever enchantment we included in the field guide's map? Unfold it and have a look.
Nice. Ada available map. Okay guys, this is completing main quest, will for the story, unlock new feature and grand XP. Okay, nice. Masih kunci. Expert quest new spell be earned completing Professor Selman. Okay. Levioso. Axio. Nggak bisa di rotate guys. Levioso dulu kali ya.
The map is enchanted to help you find your way.
This will be incredibly helpful. Thank you.
Now, sounds like you've quite a day ahead, what with classes and a trip to Hogsmeade for supplies, including your own wand. You'll enjoy Mr. Ollivander. He's an exceptional craftsman and a good friend. I shall reach out when I have more information about our mysterious locket. For now, focus on your classes and pay attention. More than your owls may hinge on the magic you are able to master within these walls.
Nice. Baru 1 jam sih. Oke, next aja ya guys ya. Kita lanjut aja. Satu quest lagi deh. Ngesan quest ini dulu deh. Kita selesaiin dulu quest yang Levioso.
Professor Hecat!
Perhaps you'd be good enough to blast each other to pieces in your own time. I get new students every year, but I only have one Hebridean black skull. It was a token from the Great Poacher Raid of 1878. No doubt you've heard of it. Now, you may be asking yourself how an old woman like me single-handedly took out the largest poacher ring in eastern Wales and lived to boast about it. Knowledge. To the wise, age matters very little. Today we will review a spell that has saved me from death at the hands of dark wizards more times than I care to remember. Levioso.
Levioso? A levitation charm?
Levioso! A surprised opponent is a weak opponent. Care to defend yourself, Master Pruitt? No? One thing I've learned as an unspeakable is the value of simplicity.
Sekolah guys ya.
Especially in the heat of battle. Now, let's practice what we've just learned. Starting with something small.
Oke guys, mau sekolah lagi. Sekolah lagi guys, sekolah live. Kali ini skillnya Levioso. Oke, nice. Skill barunya kali ini Levioso.
Now, let's try something a little larger. Let us begin with basic cast. See how the dummy deflected your cast? This time, cast Levioso first, then the basic cast. Remember, Levioso. Now, the basic. Well,
Nice. Oh gitu guys
very
caranya.
good. But the best way to practice is by dueling. We'll start with you two. Duelists, take your marks.
Time for a proper Hogwarts welcome.
Now, I want a fair duel. Using only Levioso, basic cast, and Protego. You may begin.
Nice, kita duel guys sekarang ya.
Protego. Levioso. This can't be your first duel. Let's just say I'm a quick learner. Levioso. What are you doing up there? You're good. Protego. Levioso.
Try to anticipate your opponent's next move.
Sebastian.
Not bad for a beginner. You give as good as you get.
Pertama kali kenalan sama
I put you
Sebastian.
on the spot, and you rose to the challenge. Points to Slytherin.
Thank you, Professor Hagrid. Glad to have the opportunity to practice.
If what I've seen today is any indication, we can expect great things from you. I demand excellence from my students. They are capable of achieving it, and they must achieve it. A classroom duel is one thing, but battling dark wizards, or as ever more likely goblins, is a different kettle of Grindylows entirely.
Understood, Professor.
So, I'd advise you to keep practicing whenever you can. Perhaps Mr. Sallow will have some ideas for you. Again, well done today. I shall reach out soon with additional assignments.
Nice, dapat lagi.
Right, that's it. Monday. Class is dismissed.
Oke guys, nice, dapat ilmu baru
Nice
ya.
work. I enjoyed that. Well, that duel was quite something. Everyone will be talking about it. It was certainly good practice. Practice? Felt more like I was dueling an expert. Didn't expect a new student to be so deft with a wand. Then again, perhaps this wasn't your first duel. I've dueled enough. Consider yourself lucky I held back. Fair enough. You owe me an honest duel when you aren't. You know, You might be a perfect fit for a certain exclusive, unsanctioned dueling organization. Exclusive and unsanctioned. Count me in. Excellent. Knew I was right about you. If you want to get the most out of your time at Hogwarts, you're going to need to break the rules now and then. Whether it's joining a secret dueling club or sneaking into the restricted section of the library, you just have to be clever enough not to get caught. Thank you, Sebastian. I'll keep
Diajarin
that in mind.
ngelanggar ya
Pleasure
guys.
chatting with you. I'm sure I'll see you soon. Perhaps somewhere
Kita diajarin ngelanggar pondok sama si Sebastian. Ngaco nih Sebastian.
Look for Luke and Brattleby near the clock tower entrance. If you're interested. Till next time.
Ngaco banget nih Sebastian, kita malah diajarin melanggar peraturan pondok ya guys. Gimana dapat rewardnya? Di sini kah?
No, I'm not much for dueling. I prefer to keep things friendly.
Di mana guys? Apa suruh keluar dulu kah?
What are you up to now?
Nggak bisa guys loncat sini. Harus turun tangga guys. Ya, kita mau ngambil nice. Kita mau ke atas ya guys ya. Kita ke atas lagi. Agak mumet sih memang, oke lah. Kita mau belajar. Oh, kalau ke kanan skip guys.
Yeah.
Nggak usah di skip lah ya, kita tonton.
There's an open seat here. Thank you. Hello, I am Nettie.
Nanti
So you are the
outside.
new student. Have you met Professor Ronan yet?
Shall we begin? Welcome to year 5 of charms. Now, this will be a crucial year in your education on the art of charm work. But I am confident that we will take hold with the passion and rigor requisite of such a challenge. Right, now, everyone, please open your textbooks to page 517. But before we begin, can anyone here tell me the difference between the incantations of the color change and growth charts? Anyone? Anyone? I am afraid it is too late to study now. My, the summer months must have really taken a toll on you all. By the looks of it, you all spent your holidays practicing Obliviate on one another.
Ini matkul kedua ya guys.
Do you even remember how to perform a basic summoning charm? Well, it seems that we are in dire need of review. Everyone get into pairs and take positions on opposite sides of the classroom. Now let's put those textbooks to use as the blunt objects you so believe they are, and take turns summoning them out of one another's hands. Only one book will be needed per partnership, Miss Dale. Thank you. Get into place now.
Nice. Oh, nerima ya guys. Jadi caranya itu Axio.
Akio,
Akio guys bacanya. Bukan Axio.
that is not bad.
Nggak apa-apa sih, laptop gua Axio ya.
Swift learner. I see a lot of potential, but remember, potential is nothing without practice. Keep at it. You might just rival Miss Onai here.
Very good, everyone. That's enough of that. Well, as you all seem to have the basics down, and it is an exceptionally lovely day, I was thinking we might have ourselves a little excursion outside for a spot of fresh air. After me.
Nice. Dapat 2 guys kita ilmunya. Alhamdulillah dapat ilmu 2 sekarang guys ya. Geser lagi, ini ada. Oh my god, outdoor
I've
kita
always
sini.
found that fun goes hand in hand with mastery, as I'm sure the Quidditch players amongst us would agree. So, what better than a bit of sport to put our prowess with the summoning charm to the test, right?
Summoning charm.
So why don't we have our newest student start us off?
Oh my god. Kita dites guys.
Very simply, cast Accio on one of the spheres and relinquish your charm at the last possible moment. Excellent. Happens to the best of us. Very good. Don't lose your composure. Splendid. Stay focused.
Oh, I see.
Very good. Points to Slytherin. But there's
wait.
certainly no sport in playing without some friendly competition. Miss Onai, would you care to give our new student a bit of a challenge? Come on up. You'll be the blues just as before, and Miss Onai, you are playing red. Clear? Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. Kayak apa guys? Bro. Nice.
Excellent control there. Watch
Gua ajarin ya, Neti ya. Kelebihan dong, astaga. Please. Kalah gua guys.
That is how it's done.
Nggak bisa gua. Nggak bisa guys. Gua salah guys. Nggak bisa diulang kah?
Let us make this a bit more interesting, shall we?
Oh my
I
god.
think we are well past interesting at this point.
I'll say. Enough chatter. Focus now. You will need it. This round settles it all.
Sharp.
Oke, nice, kita ambil yang ini dulu ya.
There we go. Not exactly your typical lesson, is it?
Please.
That's it.
Watch this.
Dikit lagi guys. Mekanik guys, ternyata guys, ada mekanik kayak gini ya. Pojok dulu deh, kayaknya sebenarnya banyak lebih mudah deh. Astaga, Tuhan.
Nicely done. Let us see. That is how it's done.
Gue harus nariknya dari sini guys kayaknya.
Splendid!
Malah nambah yang astaga, gue malah ngegeser punya Nati.
Very good, both of you. Well done.
Nggak apa-apa guys ya, it's okay.
Class is dismissed. Gather your things on the way out.
Well done back there. You took the loss in stride. Didn't want to go too easy on you. Took me weeks to become proficient with Accio. Took weeks for me to get anything right when I transferred here. It gets easier, I promise.
Oh, dia udah sering pakai guys.
That's good to hear. It's a lot to take in all at once.
To put it lightly, I remember how I felt when I first arrived. I transferred here from Wagadu just before my 4th year. My mother received an offer to teach divination here. Before I knew it, we had left Uganda and were halfway around the world at a new school in a new country.
Well,
Cukup
it's
sih.
been nice talking and competing with you.
Kita nggak perlu nanya tentang negaranya guys ya, karena udah
I think Professor
kita
Murray
mau
wants to
cepet
talk
aja.
to you. Better not keep him waiting. Until next time.
Nice.
Of course, can use Accio in humans.
A word, if you would.
Well, you wanted to speak with me, Professor.
I did.
You know
I trust your first Charles lesson lived up to expectation.
Well, an outdoor competition wasn't exactly the lesson I was expecting, sir.
What charm is there in the expected? Miss Onai is a talented witch. Take it in stride. One often gains the most from the battles one has lost.
Of course, Professor. It was a challenging match.
Miss Onai is always a fierce competitor, though I sense that she is a bit distracted of late. Now, Professor Weasley has asked that your professors give you instruction outside of the ordinary curriculum. Expect to hear from me soon regarding a special assignment that I am
Nice.
preparing for you.
Oke, selesai ya guys ya. Thank you Camplas. Coba kita lihat ini. Oh, ini skill-skillnya guys, kita bisa oke, paham ya. Oke. Nice.
Hello there. You're the new student, aren't you?
Saman Sadel. Gue lagi buru-buru tapi boleh deh.
Hello, you wanted to speak to me?
Samantha Dale. I've been eager to meet you. You're the student everyone's been whispering about. Hope your first day's going well. You certainly seem to hold your own in charms.
I've been fortunate. Beginner's luck.
My brother William would tell you not to be so humble and to trust your abilities. Then again, he tends to be overconfident in his. Well, better see to my charms homework. I'm afraid I can't count on beginner's luck to impress Professor Ronan.
Oke. New case available. Ntar dulu deh. How to get the
Revelio.
di mana guys itu chestnya?
I've always been werewolves, where were you? In the Goblin Rebellion of 1752.
The Minister for Magic was Albert Boot.
I won't say my goodbyes. I shall cheer for the boy who says you're telling
I'm very
lies.
nice, Peeps. It was Albert Boot.
No, it wasn't. It was Basil Hine.
It's a bold attack. Was the Minister of Boot?
Gimana cara jawabnya?
Black.
Stop it, Peeps. You'll get us in trouble.
In trouble you'll be, but you can't get off the sack. She
Oh, dipilih ininya guys.
You'll get us all detention. And you're both wrong anyway. It was
Tambah 4, tambah 4, tambah
It
4.
wasn't Boots and it wasn't Flash, but you're already trouble with Professor Flag.
What was that for?
Wait. Oh, paham. Dua atau dua, kayaknya dua. Udah seharusnya. Spider kah? Bocil gacha kah guys? Itu bukan, ini bukan.
Revelio.
Gimana sih? Kalau gue bingung. Gue butuh chest nih. Mana chestnya?
Revelio.
Di balik situ ada chest guys. Di sini juga ada chest. Oh, di atas itu. Gimana caranya buat naik ke sana? Sini kah?
Revelio.
Nggak bisa kayaknya guys. Ya. Oke guys, jadi mungkin enter foto mode. Coba kita klik ke. Oke. Aman sih guys. Enak lah ya. Aman lah ya. Gear. Oh, kita bisa use something guys. Ini bisa kita gunakan. Better ini sih. Oke, terus back. Ini no, serius sih. Ini bagus pakai nggak ya? Pakai aja deh guys. Keren sih, pakai sih keren. Ini pakai kacamata juga gue pengen pakai. Terus topi pakai kali ya. Inventory masih kosong ya guys, collection juga masih kosong. Apa ini? Did I get something? Oh, gua ada ini guys, Kelpie statue. Challenges, quest. Oke lah, itu dulu. Inventory, challenge. Wait, kok jadi kayak gini sih guys ini kameranya? Oh, nggak normal ya. setting, save game. Oke guys, ya kita udah save game di sini guys ya. Oke, back. Ya mungkin itu loh guys, coba kita lihat-lihat lagi sambil kita lihat-lihat ya. Grafik ya sesuai lah ya sama laptop gua, semuanya low ya guys ya. Global quality, recommended population dan lain sebagainya. Ini terus mungkin itu dulu guys ya. Thank you banget guys, gua save lagi, gua save ulang, wait, back, setting, gua tadi mencet gimana sih setting ini ya. Oke, save. Oke guys ya, jadi mungkin itu dulu guys, thank you banget yang udah nonton video gue sampai akhir. Jadi mungkin sampai sini dulu perjalanan Hogwarts Legacy-nya. Kalian jangan lupa download guys, mumpung masih gratis. Gue lupa, boleh kalian cek dulu aja di Epic Games itu gratisnya sampai tanggal berapa. Kalau masih gratis sekarang gue langsung di download aja. Ini game bener-bener keren banget, grafiknya bener-bener bagus banget. Thank you banget ya guys yang udah nonton gue dari awal tadi sampai akhir ya. Gue Zikri pamit dulu guys. Jangan lupa kalian subscribe channel gue, jangan lupa kalian like, kalian share video gue, karena itu sangat membantu banget. Gue sangat berterima kasih banget kalau kalian udah share video gue ya, atau like atau subscribe juga. Subscribe sih, kalian subscribe dulu aja ya. Thank you banget guys, gue Zikri ya, pamit undur diri. Thank you banget, jangan lupa subscribe pastinya ya. See you in the next video. Bye bye.